What's going on at Ford is there's a lot of established processes, and the problem that we really have is a lot of the data is in silos, and people make copies of data all over the place. And it's really a big task to be able to, just prior to launch, make sure that everybody is up to date. So what we're currently doing is we're implementing Teamcenter within the entire manufacturing group, where we can share data and try to avoid some of the silos. We at Ford are recently working on implementing EasyPlan for the entire back end of our manufacturing. We're really moving towards having an integrated approach. We're working on getting an FMEA workflow that's linked to our 3D models, our PMI models. We are looking at putting our requirements online so that we can check them, and when we need to check them against new changes, and to get an integrated workflow where the changes are recognized by the people that need to know what has changed and when it has changed and when it is effective. Everybody is talking about AI, and some people are worried about how it's going to replace their engineering services. But really, AI is something that's going to help us. It's going to help us to develop perhaps new processes based on templates of old processes, where we can launch similar manufacturing lines using data that we've already done in the past a lot easier. And I'm kind of excited on where we're going with AI in the future. So the big thing about Teamcenter implementation is not only to get the technical stuff right, but to get the people stuff right. I'm really impressed over the past few years. Siemens has really put in a big effort to understand part processing and part planning within the manufacturing world. If we look over the past couple years, and even this year, and even coming up next month, we've got the stage model application, which is new, and it helps us to develop our in-process tolerances. We've got a new bill of process application in NX, and also integrated within Teamcenter. We've got a new process modeler where we can do simple one-dimensional stacks without having to go to a full 3D VSA stack. So what I found is that Siemens has really come up the last couple of years with a lot of new tools that we can do to make our jobs better. And really, as a manufacturing engineer, this is a once-in-a-career type of occurrence. And the only thing I would compare it to is when we switched from manual drafting to computer-aided design a generation ago. That's how big of a transformation it is. We're excited at Ford, we're excited with the partnership of Siemens, and we're looking forward to going ahead, and boy, oh boy, it's exciting to come to work.